Well, River Hills is the second project we do with this client. Last year, actually almost a year to the day, because it was Thanksgiving last year, 2024, when we were installing the kitchen and walk-in pantry and the powder room in the house. So it's our second project together, and we just love collaborating with Melissa. She's really flexible. She knows what she wants. She understands limitations of constructions. She listens to advice, and she has great input every time, and she has amazing taste. She chose us after all. So we got in touch in July, I believe. We started working on plans for 3 bathrooms. There's a single kids vanity and a medicine cabinet, a double vanity for another of the kids' bathrooms. And there's a master vanity, which is basically a monster of storage. In the master vanity, I think there's 16 drawers, 20 drawers, sorry, 20 drawers, and plenty of mirror and medicine cabinets together. So the master bathroom is a walnut veneer, and the kids' bathrooms are oak veneer. And they're modern, floating, so it's much easier to clean under and around them, and they just have a better, more like a more modern, more airy look to them. Kitchen, so we went for a walnut again to keep the consistency like throughout the house. And the kids' vanities, she wanted them to be in oak because it's a little bit a lighter, more zen vibe, I guess. More it goes better with the very light tiles and everything around. An empty room looks smaller than it does whenever there's a lot of cabinetry in it. In the case of these bathrooms, we did a lot of mirror also because it's gonna give the impression that the room is bigger than it is by reflecting the other walls. So yes, we like to always put as much cabinetry as needed in a room to sort of take advantage of every storage.